This right here is a model that I did for a developer not too long ago with my drone. Um, I flew it with my drone, and then I created this kind of 3D rendering of it. You can kind of see um, what it looks like. Right here's the pond. Um, these are all the lots. You can kind of see the lots here. Here's the houses. Um, Over here, there's a big berm right there, another berm here, a berm there. Um, Here's a big pile of, I think it was a big pile of rock and mud that they cut out right here. Here's all the streets. You can see that's clearly defined. This was all from my drone and then processing the data. Let's see if we can look at it a little differently here. Here's another view. Let's go look at the pond. As you can see, it picks up pretty well. Um, all the features and everything like that. Roads, ponds, and even got this track code right here. They were actually laying the water line. There's pickup trucks. All that kind of stuff needs to be cleaned up, but I think you get the idea. So back to normal. See, there's a pickup, the track code, pickup trucks, catch basins. There's some pipe right there that need to lay. Things like that. And if we go from here further, we can take it in and generate the contours. So here's all the topo of the site we just looked at. Here's the pond right here. Let me just do a side by side. It might be easier to see. Let's see. So here is, let's see, this is kind of different. Yeah, so here's the pond, and over here, here's the pond, and here's the pond here. So as you can see, we can take all this stuff, and this was kind of like mid existing conditions. We were just doing kind of a volume check on to see how much more dirt needed to be cut, things like that. Lots of volumes on stockpiles. Um, they had a lot of wasted material right here in the middle. We needed to check on that. But this is just one of the few things I can do. There's a lot of other things as far as aerial photos, high resolution ortho images. I do phasing photos for projects like this, like milestone photos. Maybe if they start a phase and then they might want photos every couple of weeks or something. So anyway, take a look at this video and let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.